Hey there everyone, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this CRKT Columbia River Offbeat II folding pocket knife. Columbia River is known for making some unusual design knives, and they do that by collaborating with a variety of different designers. They've collaborated with Pat Crawford on this design, and it's just a really cool very different locking mechanism on this knife, in that it has dual ambidextrous thumb studs at the top side of the locking mechanism that you push up on the lock back piece as opposed to pushing down. Most oftentimes lock back knives have a depression here and you push down to pull up the front side. This one has these dual ambidextrous thumb studs and you push up to disengage the blade. So it's really cool design. It came out in 2018, and it's a mid-size knife in that it is 7.57 inches overall length, has a blade length of 3.23 inches long with a cutting edge of 3 inches. The width of the blade is 3/4 of an inch, 0.75. The thickness of the blade, it's thin at 0.10 inches. The blade material is a 8CR13 MOV. It's a drop point blade design, hollow grind, satin finish, very nice satin finish with a plain edge, with a small sanding choil. Has dual ambidextrous right or left hand thumb stud opening, which opens very nice and closes nicely. The handle is 4.34 inches overall length. It's made out of a fiberglass reinforced nylon. The handle width is 0.875. The handle thickness is very thin at 0.41. So it's a slim design knife. Comes in at a light weight of 3.21 ounces. So it's a very easy carry. It is a tip-up carry design with the back side right hand or front side left hand carrying clip design with a deep carry stainless steel, a thin stainless steel carrying clip, black anodized, manual opener, stainless steel liners, and it has the stainless steel locking mechanism that turns the handle into a closed handle design. The knife is made in China. It's just a very cool, unusual piece. This Offbeat II is an updated version from the original Offbeat, which was a little longer, had a full stainless steel handle as opposed to this fiberglass reinforced nylon one. It was a little different. This is just a very unusual design by Pat Crawford. I love it. I'm glad to have it in my collection. So there we go, everybody. It is the CRKT Columbia River Offbeat II folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again. All right, bye now.